make sure that a lot of people who smoke, they cut down smoking, and they stub their cigarette butts in the ashtray. What we need from you is not just be outside Miranda House, but come with us and let's make some noise. Are you guys ready for that? Are you guys ready? This one's like my younger brother. I know him for now, what, 6 years? His elder brother is Ayushman Khurana. His real elder brother, who's like a younger brother to me, so he's like younger brother, and we're really proud of him. He's doing a great job. Every time I come to Delhi, I tune into his channel, and soon you'll probably see him somewhere around me and Ayushman. Yeah. We're hoping, let's see how it goes, but he's here with me, so a round of applause for my man Apar Shakti. Take it away, bro.
Okay, do we have a smoker here? Yeah, of course we don't want any one of you to smoke, but do we have any girl who smokes? It's okay, sir. Rather you'll get some time to spend with Ranvijay, Hana.
Alright, who? These guys are giving these pledge cards here. Let's all take them, fill it, and let's take the pledge of making sure that our hearts are healthy so that we can enjoy our life for as long as we live. Alright? Let's take the pledge, the cards that they're handing out. That's the pledge.
Yeah. I want a smoker here. I mean, any one of you around, do you, I mean, any one of you smoke? No.
See how they're telling now. They're standing next to each other. Alright, see, basically I know you don't want to come out in the open and do it, but the idea is that if you see your friends smoking, if you see your friends, brother, your siblings, anybody smoking, you need to tell them it's not good for them. And the reason that they smoke, especially in college, school and college, is sometimes peer pressure, is sometimes being cool. You know, everybody's smoking around me, so I should also smoke. It's so cool to smoke. It's not. And I think now we've reached the point where all of us know that if you have to be cool, you should just be good at what you do. It could be painting, dancing, studying, maybe a little bit, having fun, sports. But you don't have to really smoke to be cool, because I think it's very uncool to smoke. So try to tell your juniors, your seniors, your friends that smoking is not cool, and stop smoking is difficult. So we're saying, okay, cut it down. Start cutting it down. Stop that cigarette that's in your hand.
Okay, guys, a billion hearts beating Happy Heart Fairs powered by Johnson & Johnson and Apollo Hospital, and 92.7 Big FM, of course, is the radio partner. See, we have this little survey here. Every year, every day, 1,000 people in America say no to smoking. You know how? By dying. So, I mean, what happens is, a lot of people try to quit smoking, but they're not able to. I'm going to give you a couple of tips. What you can do is, whenever somebody is trying to quit smoking, one, you need to tell each and every one around. Tell all your friends that I'm planning to quit smoking. So even they help you out. At second place, don't keep cigarettes in your cars, in your room, anywhere around you. Just try not to. If you're diabetic, don't do that. We had this guy who was constantly smoking. I think you want to call him on the stage.
Also during the day today, I know all of you want to go attend your classes. So during the day we're going to go to another few colleges. One of them is my college, Hansraj. There's no noise for Hansraj. What we need to do is we need to be together, like you've pledged. We need more people to pledge to quit smoking, to cut down smoking. And any of you who sees anybody smoking, just get that person to me or Apar Shakti, and we'll get that person to stub it in this giant ashtray. You guys know that it's a giant ashtray. I don't think you can see it. Does it look like an ashtray from there? Okay, if it doesn't, later on when we are going, you can all have a look.
You can climb up, yeah.
Also, because it's World Hearts Day, Apar Shakti is single, and
so is Ranvijay.
So am I. Yes, so am I. So feel free to play with our hearts. because we have a healthy heart. He exercises, I exercise. We play a lot of sports. We eat right. Eating right doesn't mean that you have to diet and you have to be slim like most of you girls, which is great if it's natural. Eat a balanced diet. Play hard, dance, whatever. Don't smoke, and like that you will live a longer, healthier life. What's happening these days is because I see a lot of people who are just 5 to 10 years older than me having heart attacks. People at 32, 39, and that's only because the work culture is such that we take so much stress on ourselves. Our lifestyles are such, including mine right now. I haven't slept at all last night because I had to be here. I was so excited to be with you girls that I couldn't sleep. And it's true really. And also I'm promoting my film. It's called More. It's releasing on the 14th of October. Does anybody know Nagesh Kukunur? So I have a film. Do you know Aisha Dakia? Yes! And I'm also in the film. So
That's the high point actually. Forget Aisha Dakia.
The beauty is that that film is also about having a heart, and it's a romantic, sensitive film. I know you've only seen me jumping around and being on a bike, but I have a sensitive side to me and a romantic side that a very few people know about because I've had very few girlfriends. Soon everybody will get to see that side. Amar Shakti, what do you do to keep your heart healthy?
I play football. I play squash.
In the girls' team.
With the girls' team. Yeah.
With the girls' team. That's better now. You get exercise and your heart, pumps harder.
You just said to all these girls, you need to play hard. Don't play around with guys,
No, yeah.
You need to play some sport.
Don't break too many hearts. I think every girl's allowed to break 3 to 4 in a lifetime. 3 to 4. Okay. And once you have a steady boyfriend or you get married, then don't break that heart. Usse pehle 2-3. Yeah, my God, some. That's a good class. You were attending classes?
Come on.
Education is happening here on the streets. And I'm telling you something, I've been in Delhi University. It is the most fantastic campus in the world. I've been all over. The fest that we have, the amount of sports, the level of sports is awesome. And if you're in Delhi University, you have to make the best out of it. You have to attend classes. You also have to be part of every event that happens. Let him go. He's not even wearing a helmet, so.
Okay, then there's this guy who wants to stub his cigarette right here,
Alright. Wow, first of all, what's your name?
उपिंदर डागर.
उपिंदर, क्या करते हैं आप?
स्टडी करता हूँ.
क्या स्टडी कर रहे हो?
कॉलेज में हूँ. बीए प्रोग्राम RLA कॉलेज.
अच्छा. आप कितनी सिगरेट पीते दिन में?
2 डब्बी.
ऐसे करो 2 डब्बी.
Okay, it takes a lot of courage, and because he's come in front of all of you. क्या आप अपनी सिगरेट इस एस्ट्रे में स्टब करेंगे? अपने दिल के लिए?
बिल्कुल.
Thank you so much, ladies. A round of applause for this guy who's going to be. कैसा लगा आपको?
अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा क्योंकि लड़कियां आपके लिए चिल्ला रही है कि?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
आप भागते हो? जब भागते हो तो तकलीफ होती है क्योंकि आप 2 डब्बे सिगरेट पीते हो. कुछ तकलीफ होती है नॉर्मल जब बचपन में भागते थे और सिगरेट के बाद?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि मैं रेगुलर करता हूँ ना.
अभी आप यंग हो. आप क्या 22 साल के हो? 20 साल के?
19
इयर्स के हो. अभी आपकी बॉडी यंग है, आपको पता नहीं लग रहा है कि स्मोकिंग से क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है, लेकिन 25 तक जितना भाग सकते हो वो कम हो जाएगा, इसीलिए क्योंकि आप बहुत सिगरेट पीते. लेकिन अगर आप ऐसे यू स्टार्ट कटिंग सिगरेट आउट, यू विल हैव अ हेल्दी हार्ट एंड अ हेल्दी लाइफ. प्लीज वन मोर राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर दिस जेंटलमैन हियर.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Okay, all you guys, please, you need to fill in this form and put it in the Dropbox. Take a pledge that you will not smoke ever. And
one girl. Okay, where's that girl who was singing really well?
Yeah, Pam. Come.
Pam, come on.
Now you can sing for Ranvijay. Totally.
Ma'am, what are you studying?